welcome back to my YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a way that can make you get rich in no time. Right now I'm shooting this video is 28th of October, and currently now I don't have a job, but I'm using affiliate marketing to earn passive amount of money here online, and I am also into little legitimate online business which I share with you in this channel. So if you want to see more of those videos and how I make money online, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and like this video. If you have any question or you want to share an idea, let us know down there in the comment section. So I want to show you guys something. This is money made. This is not a joke. This is money made. This is affiliate marketing. And as you can see, let me just define what affiliate marketing truly is. Affiliate marketing is a way of promoting a company's product, and once that company gets a sale from that product you have promoted, you're going to get paid a commission. As you can see, this is 325 affiliate sale made. Once you're registered on affiliate marketing, you will get what they call an affiliate marketing link, and with that affiliate marketing link, you can promote any product and you can get paid a commission for that from that product. I wasn't just convinced to register for affiliate marketing until I saw that I can even earn in naira. As you can see, 109,484 naira made from this company in just a month's time, and more other withdrawals. I started receiving notifications that I'm getting wallet payout. As you can see, this one, this other one, this other one, this other one, these are all payouts, and this other one. Before I want to tell you that the name of this company is called Seller. Seller is a digital company. I wasn't even convinced to register for affiliate marketing until I went to Google myself and asked, is affiliate marketing a real or legit business? And here's what the result from Google told me. Affiliate marketing is a totally legit way to earn an income. I using it, and the question was, is affiliate marketing legit? And this is the answer. Affiliate marketing is a totally legit way to earn an income. I wasn't still convinced, and I know you aren't convinced. Let me show you some of my screenshots of payment from this platform. As you can see, I got a notification, new Seller wallet payout, and I told that the name of this company is Seller. Now, to register for affiliate marketing just cost 5,500 naira. If you're in Nigeria, it costs 5,500 naira to register for affiliate marketing. If you're interested, let me know down there in the comment section. And if you're from any part of the world and you want to register for affiliate marketing, just convert the Nigeria 5,500 naira currency to your currency and see the equivalent amount and message me so that I can take you over to my WhatsApp DM to teach you how to run affiliate marketing and how to stabilize it for a good business. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you up in my next video.